What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're still watching since day one, thank you so much for your support. Keep subscribing, liking, share with your uncles, aunties, nephews, sons, fathers, sisters, mamas. Share. Thank you so much, guys, for your support. And today we're gonna be working on the fender wells of the Eclipse, and we're gonna be undercoating it. Today we're gonna be undercoating the fender wells. This is what I'm gonna be using. Undercoating Pro Grade Rust-Oleum. Alright, you guys, so we're at my brother's house now, and I'm looking at the car right now, and I gotta say, it turned out pretty decent. I've still got to wet sand it, that way whenever the paint lays on there, it'll be pretty smooth. But actually, I mean, you really can't see the, like, I didn't fade out the lines, I guess you could say, as you can see. I don't know if you can really, like, but as y'all can see right here in the fender well, I kind of cleaned it a little bit so it's not that greasy. Alright, you guys, so I'm gonna spray it down with the greaser. This is not tire shine. I put the greaser in here because it's the only spray bottle that I had, but just to make it easier. Alright, you guys, so while it dries, I'm probably gonna do the other side too. And I'm basically just gonna do it how I showed you, just like degrease it and then do it with the wire wheel. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to it. Alright, so there you guys have it. It's nice and clean. Now I just gotta wipe it down with some paint thinner to leave it clean and then spray it. I'm gonna let it dry for a little bit, and let's go to the other side and do the same thing. Clean it down with some paint thinner. I had to say, you guys, this came out so much better than what I expected. Compared to how it was. Alright, you guys, so yeah, I got a little bit of overspray on the engine bay, but it's no big deal. It'll just come off with like the wet sanding, as y'all can see. I don't know if you can see, but like, you see? You just overspray and it'll come right off. So I'm not too worried about it. I'll probably let it dry today, like the whole day today. I'll probably let it dry and then tomorrow come and wet sand the engine bay. That way I don't mess up the undercoating. But I'm really pleased with it. It came out really amazing. It's like the best thing I've ever used, because I used to use another one. Like, I used to get the cheap kind, like the $2 undercoating and from Walmart, but it didn't come out good. And this one, I gotta say, I'm like really impressed. Where did I put it at? I'm like really impressed. So if you want to undercoat anything and you want it to come out pretty good, this is the stuff to get. Came out really good, and I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. That was just a quick little tutorial, I guess you could say, on how to like undercoat like your fender wells or like anything like that. But in the future video, I'm probably gonna use the same thing to undercoat the floor. Maybe, yeah. Because it came out really nice. Yeah, I'll probably use that to undercut the floor. But thanks for watching, guys. I hope you subscribe and like and share. tell your friends, anybody, guys. Just, you know, shout me out. I'll invite you some Burger King or something. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next one.